How to transfer your photos to PhotoBucket on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your photos to PhotoBucket on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines and top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and now just go down, click transfer, copy of your information and then click next and click this one, PhotoBucket, and go to videos and click none, and click none if you just want to transfer only your photos, and then next, and now just connect your Facebook with PhotoBucket, and that's it for today's video. If you liked this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.